Hi everyone, this is Fatihah, architecture student from USM Penang. I am conducting Environmental Science 2 assignment. My assignment is about building pathology. First, what is building pathology? Building pathology considers how the structures and materials of a building relates to its environment. In other words, building pathology is the study of building defect, building decay, and building performance. And this is some criteria that building must fulfill and issue that has to consider to make the building to be successful. Identify 4 building defects. First is crack at the external wall. Second, peeling paint at the external wall. Third, leakage at the roof. And lastly is dampness at the internal wall. Next question is explain what are the potential causes of each building defect and explain how to overcome the problem of each building defect. Cracks are often caused by pressure of excessive load, either it is live load, dead load, and wind load. It can become serious with the increasing age of the buildings. The cracking wall is caused by harmful growth. Then, how to overcome the building defect? One of the ways to overcome crack building defect is to make sure that the concrete house undergoes a cube test checking mold. It is to make sure that the mold achieves the exact grade. The construction process should comply with specification, which means it should do accurate its measurements to get the proper concrete ratios. Other than that, do the proper inspection. The next building defect is peeling paints, which are occur at the columns and walls. It are exposed to excessive rain and dampness. The amount of constant wind, rain, and sun receive can easily turn the surface of the paint to become chalky and rings or blistered. Then, do the proper process of painting is one of the ways to overcome the peeling paint building. Other than that, the quality of paint is also important for the buildings as it will affect the degradations of the paint. The next building defect is leakage roof. The water leakage at my house will happen when it is heavily rained and in windy weather. As roof often act as a weather shield, it is important to treat aging roof tiles. Common defects of roof tiles include corrosions of nails that fix the tiles to battens and rafter. The gutter of the roof also can cause the mold that will attach itself to the wall. To overcome these issues, we need to improve the methods of installation. Then, the installation should have a proper seal penetration so that the leakage issues can be avoided. Lastly is do the proper overlaps of the material joints and make sure that the flashing are successfully installed at the junctions of the roof and the wall. Then the last building defect of my house is dampness at the internal wall. The dampness occurs when penetrate through capillaries, pipe, and tanks with overflowings of condensation forming together with ventilation system. Then it also happens because of water leakage by the plumbing that is not installed properly. To overcome the dampness building defect is all the exposed walls should be of sufficient thickness to safeguard against the rain protection. Cornice and string cords should be provided to repel rain water away from the walls. Other than that, the wall should be covered with waterproofing cement plaster. That's all from me. Thank you.